Sending a proposal in HoneyBook is a straightforward process designed to impress potential clients with professionalism and clarity. Here's a step-by-step guide. Create a proposal template. Start by creating a proposal template if you haven't already. Go to Templates, Proposals and Brochures and click on Create New Template. Name your template and begin drafting. Customize your proposal. Use HoneyBook's editor to customize your proposal. Include details such as services offered, pricing packages, timelines, and any special terms or conditions. You can format text, add images, and personalize sections using merge fields for client-specific details. Add packages and pricing. Specify different service packages with clear descriptions and pricing. HoneyBook allows you to present options for clients to choose from, making it easy for them to understand and select the right package for their needs. Include testimonials and portfolio. Enhance your proposal by adding testimonials from previous clients and showcasing your portfolio. This helps build credibility and showcases your work to potential clients. Send the proposal. Once your proposal is ready, navigate to projects or opportunities in HoneyBook. Select the client you want to send the proposal to and choose the proposal template. Customize any remaining details and click Send Proposal. Track proposal status. HoneyBook automatically tracks the status of your proposal, showing whether it's being viewed or accepted. You can also set automated follow-up reminders to ensure timely communication. Review and finalize. Before sending, review the proposal to ensure all details are accurate and relevant. Once accepted, you can proceed with scheduling and planning the project.